Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. A while back, I'd posted a video about my first attempt at building a folding stock muzzleloader. Conceptually, I liked how the underfolding stock worked out, but that first prototype was a little bit wobbly, and there wasn't really a good way to tighten it up without completely changing the design. So I went ahead and designed a completely different folding stock, and that's what I wanted to show you here today. This one doesn't have any pins to insert or remove. To unfold it, I simply push in on this hub here, and then open it until it snaps into place. I could do the same thing in reverse to close it, or you can also pull out on the hub there and fold it that way. So I really like how this one turned out. I mean, conceptually it works the same as the other one, but the mechanism is much more secure. There's no appreciable wobble to this at all. If anything, it's even more user-friendly than the other one. Probably quite a bit faster to deploy. So overall, I really like how this turned out, but I haven't shot it yet, so that's what we're going to do next. Incidentally, in addition to the regular folded and deployed positions, this stock has kind of a hyper-extended bonus position, I guess, which is 180 degrees from the folded position, just kind of a side effect of the way that the locking notches on the hub were cut. I don't know that this position really has much practical use because you can't really look down the sights when you're shouldering it this way, but it doesn't necessarily feel uncomfortable. Maybe I'll take a shot or two in this position just to see what happens. Well, I think the live fire testing has only served to confirm my initial first impressions of this stock. After putting about 25 relatively hot loads through it, the stock is still good and stable and secure, no perceptible wobble when I'm shouldering it. I was able to shoot it from a variety of different positions, as you saw, of which the regular shouldered position is really the only one that gives me the ability to shoot accurately and with confidence. Of the others that I tried, most of them don't really facilitate use of the peep sights. Particularly trying to shoot it from the hip, while holding it like this, or even just holding it like a handgun puts the peep sight too far out for me to see through the aperture. Holding it like this, I was able to use the sights and get a couple of hits, but still not nearly as ergonomic or as stable as just shooting it from a normal shouldered position. So I don't know at what point, if ever, the folding stock version will actually go into production. At the moment, Atomic Rifling and Creative Operations is still trying to get their base model standard pattern muzzleloader into production. But I think if they ever do offer a folding stock, it'll probably be something similar to this concept. Anyway, till next time, thank you for watching the Idahoan Show.